By the end of this video, you will know how to set up court deadlines in Clio Manage. Start from the Clio Manage dashboard. In the left navigation menu, click Settings. This opens the area where account and personal options are managed. Under the Personal section, select Court Rules. On the Court Rules page, open the Jurisdictions tab so you can define which courts are available when calculating deadlines. Next, click Add New Jurisdictions. A selection window will appear with available jurisdictions and courts. Choose the jurisdictions and courts your firm needs to use for deadline calculations, then add them to your enabled jurisdictions. After that, look at the Enabled Jurisdictions section and confirm that the required courts have been added. This check matters because only enabled jurisdictions will be available later when you create a court rule event. Once the jurisdictions are in place, move to the matter where the deadlines will be used. Click Matters from the left navigation menu and open the matter you want to work with. From inside that matter, open the Edit page and go to Matter Details. Here, confirm that the relevant matter information is correct, including the open date and any other applicable dates shown for the matter. Court rule calculations depend on the matter details being accurate, so review this carefully before continuing. When everything looks right, click Save Matter. Now return to the matter and open its Calendar section. This is where the court rule event will be added. Create a new calendar event, and when the event options appear, select the option to use court rules. That changes the event from a standard calendar entry to one that can generate calculated deadlines based on a selected rule. From there, select the appropriate jurisdiction for the matter, then choose the applicable court rule, trigger, or event from the available options. Make sure the selection matches the court and deadline structure you need for this matter. After choosing the rule, enter the required trigger date. This is the date Clio will use as the starting point for its deadline calculation. With the trigger date entered, review the deadlines that Clio calculates from the selected court rule. Take a moment to verify that the generated dates align with the matter and the rule you intended to use. If something looks off, check the selected jurisdiction, the court rule, and the trigger date before saving. When the calculated deadlines are correct, save the court rule event. Clio will add the resulting deadlines to the matter's calendar, making them available within that file for ongoing reference. Thanks for watching. The matter now has court rule-based deadlines added to its calendar in Clio Manage.